Hi everyone, today I'll show you this Panasonic FGPT01A nano generator. It's a negative ion generator and it has some interesting functions. So I'm going to show you the unboxing for this item and also some general explanation of how it works. So upon opening, I realized that there's a cable. So this is a USB-C cable. Alright. And this is a unit itself. So it's packed in this manner. Alright. Right, so this is how it looks like. Bottom, nano generator. Alright, there's a top sticker here which I'm going to peel off. Alright, give you a close up. So it also comes with some explanation. I'm going to show you. This is a warranty slip. Set it aside. So some precautions, how to use and everything. To use it. Maintenance. Alright, so there goes for the English version of the instruction manual. So I'm gonna start it up right now. You can see that behind here there's this thing here, like a vent. So what we need to do is that we need to open this. So once opened, you can see the internals of the unit. Give it a close up. Let me adjust the light a little bit. So we've got a light here. Show it to you. So this is how the internals look like. You can see there's a USB-C opening there. So this is where we're gonna plug in the cable. Alright. So this is the cable. We're gonna plug in the USB-C. So I'm gonna show you. Alright, so it's firmly plugged in. You make sure that it's firm. And then put this back on. So make sure the cable is correct. Alright, so now it's in place. I'm gonna plug into my battery, but you can also plug it into any other USB slot, but you need to make sure that the amp is sufficient, otherwise there can be issues. So I'm gonna plug it in, turn it on first. Alright, 95. So once I plugged in, it doesn't turn on immediately, and you press the on button. Yeah, so this is how it looks like when it's on. So the air goes in through here and comes out through here. You can feel that there's an air here coming out. So this air is ionized air. So it has negative ions, and it does all the benefits of having these negative ions, which I will explain. I'm going to show you the fan, how it looks like once it's running. Yeah, you can see the fan. Okay, you hear a sound. Yeah, the sound means that the ionizer is working. Alright, can you hear it? Physically, I can smell that there's some kind of slight difference in smell for the air, or maybe because it's new. But generally speaking, yeah, that is better than normal once it's ionized. Well, appropriately ionized, that is. So, because some of the ionizers out there, they generate a significant amount of ozone, which can cause issues as well. So here, this is like some sort of precautionary thing to look for when you buy some kind of ionizer. So the issue is with the ozone. So you can see that. So you generate nanoeX, which is the negative ions. So room temperature is ideally 5 to 40 degrees Celsius, and the humidity must be pretty high. I guess the higher the better, I guess, because it actually separates the water into OH ions. So yeah, that's where you get the negative ion. So see, just do it with water. Use high water to separate the water molecules. Yeah. So the OH ions are hydroxyl radicals. So generates 4.8 billion of them. So what does the hydroxyl ion does? It has multiple benefits. Some would claim that there are health benefits, which we'll discuss more in the studies later on in other videos, but this is a disclaimer about the product. So it inhibits bacteria and viruses, and yeah, all these disclaimers. But generally speaking, for myself, after I started using this, I experienced less allergy. So definitely it works. That's why I buy quite a number of these already now. So yeah, just to show you guys, this is interesting and amazing product. I may have extra units that I can sell you guys if you guys are interested. Please feel free to let me know if you want them. But yeah, generally speaking, this is a great product, so I'm glad to be able to feature this in my video. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you all so much for joining by, and see you guys next time.